Alright, we're at my daughter's house and Danny's house, changing the boiler to a new boiler. Blue Ridge from, what is this? Wilmington. Should be pretty easy to do. This has the right control on it. It's a 5-wire because she's got dual heat. If you look at my videos, you remember we put this Goodman in here. And we forced it in there, but I told her to get a shorter one. But daughter don't listen. She went and got a taller one. And yeah, we gotta cut the side open for the return. Alright. I'm gonna take it all apart now. Take this off, take the power off, take the pump off. Disconnect this, try to hold it in, float in there somehow. I don't know if we ever screwed it. It might just hang there. Because we siliconed it, right? We'll see. See how it's feeling. Alright, we'll be back. As you can see, we got everything off of it. We're gonna have to reuse that return piece for the filter housing. Return is off. And we're gonna cut all the silicone and lift this up, try to pull it out of there. Yeah. Alright, just like that. Pull the old one out. We'll slide the new one in. Now's the time to get a look in here, make sure everything's clean. Which it should be because it's brand new. Like 2 years old. Screws are rusting, but alright. Next, put the new one in. Sweep this all up. Alright, so you see the difference, right? This one's like an inch taller than this one. And we already cut into the plenum. So now, because Amanda didn't look and didn't call me or nothing, now we gotta go up another 2 inches into the plenum. Which is, mine is like all the way up here, so it'll be alright. Mine is all the way up here. If you look at my video from my house, but now we got more work to do because she don't listen. Everybody wants to be me. You know what I mean? Everybody wants to be me. Be back. As you can see, this furnace was flooding. That's a result from letting the evaporator stay clogged and the water ran down the whole furnace. When we came here, look, the floor was like this. This whole area, the floor was like this when we bought the house. That's why we got the house so cheap. I told the guy he needs a furnace. Oh, it works. I don't care if it works. Look what you did. You didn't change the pan. You didn't clean the pan out, so the old one was just throwing down all the water into here and down through the heat exchange through the whole boiler. The whole thing. Did this, we cleaned up. It looked like this. Just to get her through for a couple years. See? Look at that. This boiler's it's not even good for pots. A couple of the, even that's all rusty. The Beckett burner. Yeah. Well, should be all new now. Just gotta freaking make this work now. Fuck, I didn't want to take that off. I can't cut it, no way. Be back. Alright, so we got a T here, holding it up. We cut the 1.5 inch out, what we need there. Now we're cutting this. We're gonna slide it up in there. I'll hold it up, Danny will push the furnace underneath it. Alright. So what we're doing is we're bending the lip down all the way around there and leaving that one up so that the part that's the Goodman will fit this one. Voila! We're in. We start wiring it, run the oil line and everything. Alright, so we're all done. Bad boy running. Blowing heat. A lot of heat. Alright, thanks for watching.